101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Wednesdays, of course, with me, RD Sam. We have a special program, yeah, in Smart FM, namely English community, yeah, with Smart FM. And I'm not alone here every Wednesday, of course, in 7 until 8 p.m. During 1 hour, of course, to smart listeners and viewers at home. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, yes, as I mentioned, we have a few friends from views communities in South Sulawesi, yeah, especially in Makassar. And let's to recognize them, and I would like to invite you guys to introduce yourself one by one. Hi. Please use this. Come on. Once again, hi.
Hi.
How are you guys? How is it going?
Really good.
Really good. You?
I'm doing great.
You? What about? I'm doing great. Good. What about you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Everything is okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. As I just mentioned that I would like to introduce there one by one. I would like to start from you. Okay, please introduce what is your name, what is your English club, and how it looks like, and what about the agenda, please, to smart listeners.
Hi, listeners.
Yes.
What
Yes.
I can call
Listeners and
okay.
viewers.
My name is Mustika Rahayu. You can
Mustika
call Mustika Rahayu.
Rahayu. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
You can call me Tika,
Mhm.
and I'm from BP Easy.
Okay. How looks like? What is BPEC?
Okay, BPEC is a community that's have agenda every week that
Mhm.
have discussion,
Mhm.
namely lovely lovely Sunday meeting,
Okay.
and the general people
Mhm.
can come and join with us to practice English.
Okay. What about you conduct guys? You guys you conduct the meeting PM AM. Sorry.
10 p.m.
Until
until 3 or just
2 a.m. maybe?
yes. Sorry.
2 a.m.
Yes, 2 a.m.
Until
2
2 p.m.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tika.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome, Tika. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, you.
So my name is Farah and I'm from AMV,
What does it stand for?
Arahma Major Voice.
Mm-hmm.
So AMV is like a internal English community in my school where we can practice our English skills.
Mm-hmm.
And there's so many branches in this community. We can practice storytelling, spelling bee, newscasting, and so many more that we can practice in this community.
Okay. What about the schedule when you study together? Do you have a specific agenda? I mean, like a specific day to gather each other to practice.
We usually practice where
What the days?
We usually practice when there is competition, then we have to go. We practice to go to this.
So it's situational. The day
Yes.
is situational.
It's a situation.
The condition.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Farah.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome, Farah.
Thank you.
Okay. What about you, the red one?
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good evening, everyone. Yeah. My name is Muhammad Anas Bakir. My friends call me Anas, and you can call me Anas, guys.
Mhm.
I'm from Akis. Akis is one of an English course. It's the stand for Asrama Kampung Inggris Samata.
Okay.
Located right in front of
S is Samata.
S
Is Samata.
Samata.
Okay, it's near from
In front of UIN, kampus UIN.
Sahidung Sapipi.
Sapipi.
Yes.
Oh.
You know Samata, right?
Oh.
It's close with Sahidung
Okay.
Sapipi.
Okay.
Sadaga.
I just got the point. I get the point late.
Okay, continue.
And I'm working as an English teacher over there.
Okay.
And
And for more
Farah,
detailed information, Farah
yeah,
is.
I know him. I know her. She
Uh-huh.
was a student.
Oh wow! Okay, for more detailed information about Akis, what is the social media or Instagram?
Okay, the social media's name, Instagram exactly, at Asrama Kampung Inggris.
Okay, thank you. Farah, what is the social media of Rahma Major Voice? AMV, right?
I don't think there's any social media yet, or maybe I didn't know that is there is a social media. So I will ask anything.
Okay, you have to check.
Yes,
Rahma Major Voice.
I think I will check it later.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, please?
Okay. Hello guys.
30 seconds for you.
Okay. Okay. No.
Okay.
Okay. My name is Hairul. You can call me Hairul, guys.
Khairul or
Just
Hairul?
Hairul.
Hairul.
Yes.
Not
It's
Khairul.
just a simple H.
Not
Yes.
Arabic.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Just
Hairul.
Hairul.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a simple name. Okay. I'm from BPEC.
Mhm.
Maybe I already explain from my sister from
Mhm.
BPC also.
Mhm.
So I explained about.
Yes,
Oh.
you may. Come on.
BBC is the one of community. There are many agenda we conduct, like every week we conduct Lobby Sunday meeting that Tika mentioned before,
Mhm.
and there are some program we conduct also, like review book, or some we do sharing, like review movie also.
Mhm.
Yeah, maybe just like
What about the social media or the Instagram, Facebook?
you just like search in social media BVEC Makassar is just
BVC Makassar
yeah, BVEC.
86.
No.
No? Really? Which
Oh,
one?
yeah. I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
BVEC.
You know who is the host?
The house.
Okay, it's not important. I am member of APC to
Oh.
2012.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, but
Okay.
forget it. Yes. Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, giving applause for us. Yes, smart listeners at home, wherever you are. As I mentioned just now, that we would like to talking about our special topic. When we're talking about this topic, this is a very this is a simplicity, but this is a very interesting, and this is about how you celebrate after fitrah. Yeah, something like that. Maybe I don't know. This is a similar with open house or what or how, but we will talking about halal bihalal tradition. Giving applause for us. Yes. Okay. I would like start from you. Okay. Farah.
Yes.
Yes. How do you think about this topic for this evening?
I think this topic is really interesting
Mm-hmm.
because after it's because we do this tradition, we do this topic,
Mhm.
we do this tradition every year after
Yes.
it.
Yes.
And
Every year.
we do, and in Halal Bihalal we usually do many things
Mhm.
like making peace to
Okay.
each other, to family, and
Mhm.
we eat together,
Yes.
tell stories together, and in Halal Bihalal we do many things together that actually
And the most important is we get full.
yeah.
Yeah. We get
And
the most
Halal
fun.
Bihalal we especially me
Mhm.
being a teenager usually get eat money.
Ooh.
This Halal Bihalal is really interesting topic to me.
You got a THR?
Yes.
Yes. Oh my god. THR. Okay, thank you, Farah. Okay,
You're
I would like
welcome.
to move to you again. But okay, you, the red one. Akis. Akis Anas. Okay, it's switch between Akis and Anas. Okay, Anas, what is your point of view about our software this evening?
Yeah. I would like to repeat again. This is the fascinating topic.
Mm-hmm.
Halal bihalal. um, I will add the new information about this. Before I was searching for this, what Halal Bihalal is, and this is only existed in Indonesia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No in other countries.
Okay.
So it's a fun fact for us.
Mm-hmm.
Just so you know, guys. Halal Bihalal is an event. We back tighten or strengthen our relationship to each other. Maybe we rarely met after.
So there is no halal bihalal, of course, in Malaysia, Brunei.
Maybe
Uh,
I think
they
this is-
will.
this
they
is-
will. Maybe it's already exist now. A few years. Yeah.
yeah. After at the time I knew that this information. I just think that
by
this
Google.
this is not Muslim tradition. I think this
Okay.
Indonesian tradition.
Okay.
Because the information that this only exists in Indonesia. Okay, this is an event that we can again strengthen our relationship after maybe we are busy to our work, to our study, and etc. Maybe before
Okay.
we do mistake each other, and it can be the how to say the chamber or the room to say sorry to each other.
But the most important, of course, in this halal bihalal is, of course, we're gonna gather with your friend, your family, right, your neighbor, and silaturahim, and that's the point, of course, one of the point of halal bihalal, except plus you get full. Okay, give your statement. I will be back. Okay, what about you? What is your
Herul.
Herul.
Yeah.
Okay, Herul like a
It's-
president before in BPE.
Actually, I don't know about it.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay, what is your perspective about halal bihalal itself?
Yeah, like maybe same as other speaker they say before, like halal bil halal is Indonesian tradition, but the point is we can reconnect with our family, because it's really rarely we meet our family. It's just about we will meet if maybe one times every year, and this is the point I mean.
So halal bihalal, of course, this is a good tradition that in Indonesia, especially, and every peoples can gather to get, of course, in the house, and they they get silaturahim. You can get closer,
Yeah,
and of
make-
course you have
get-
it got THR.
THR, but yeah, for now, because I don't know
Which one you are? You give or you take?
we still
THR.
student actually, but we
What?
don't have we don't go THR, because I don't know, my family didn't give me THR.
But which one you are? Are you still university
still
student?
university student.
Okay, because you take.
Actually, I will take if someone give me, but no one gave.
Oh, how busy you are!
Because I don't know. I'm a student. I need money to.
Everyone is need money, not only you.
I don't know about my family. Didn't give me about.
Oh my
It's
God. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
next year, yeah. Next year, inshallah.
I don't know, man. Actually, because every year I don't get the THR.
Okay, thank you, Herul. Yeah, what about you, Tika? Yeah, you get a point, right?
Yes. I
Okay,
get it.
50 seconds for you.
Okay.
No, kidding.
Yes. Okay. Halal bihalal for me is a day I wait. I wait every year, because that I am perantauan girl. Yes, I am.
Okay. Where are you from?
Jeneponto.
Okay.
But
Air Gelang?
yeah.
Air Gelang.
Yes, air gelang in Indonesia. And I have to prepare 1 week before Fitri for halal bihalal, because I have big family that come to my home, and I have to cooking like mukbang
Okay.
almost one of I think
Like
five.
coto jarang. maybe?
Yes,
Oh, gantala jarang.
Yes, gantala jarang, of course.
Yeah.
Mas food in Raya,
Okay.
in Jeneponto.
That is a very, it's very iconic.
Yes.
There is no how to say masakan, yeah. There is no in another place, right? Only in
Yes.
Jeneponto, right?
Yes, that
Yes.
I think
Mhm.
gantala jarang is a general food in every place.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But originally from Jeneponto,
Yes,
right?
I think that's because in Jeneponto that's very general.
Mhm.
But after I go to Makassar,
Mhm.
I start now. Oh, I got realize if gantala jarang is just from
It's everywhere now.
Jeneponto. Yeah, just from Jeneponto.
But originally from Jeneponto.
Yes.
You have to proud.
yes, I'm
Okay,
really
hidup
proud.
gantala jarang.
Yes, hidup gantala jarang.
Okay, I will be back. Yeah, I will be back to you. Okay, what about you? Okay, are you agree that halal bihalal is only for the people who are rich to to celebrate? I mean, like as a host sebagai tuan rumah is
Yeah,
only
it's
rich one.
I really disagree about it.
Why? Because when we see in the situation halal bihalal only in the community, in the organization, only in the company, only in the office, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
in the like in celebration in hotel, in gedung, yeah, in only rich house, something like that.
No,
Not
I,
really?
I disagree about
Why?
it actually, because
Uh-huh.
everyone can celebrate.
Are you contra?
Yeah.
Contra position.
Contribution. I
Why?
really, because everyone can celebrate this
Mhm.
what is
Halal bihalal.
bihalal,
Mm.
because yeah, it's not about we will dine together, or it's just about seek and strengthen relationship,
Mhm.
and there we forgiveness each other. It's not about how to say rich or not.
Do not hesitate when you
Yeah.
stuck in English. You may put bahasa. Yes. Okay. You have any addition? You have addition about
Maybe
it?
just it.
Okay. Maybe.
Yeah,
Just like that.
just like
Okay.
it.
How you like that? Okay. What about you? Is halal bihalal identical with the rich people as a host tuan rumah to celebrate halal bihalal? Mm-hmm.
I think the activity or an event we know in the term Masyara
Yeah. No. You
is
know. Yeah.
already halal bihalal for me. I think it's not only special for the rich woman or man, but all people, or the event when you conscious or unconsciously the
Mhm.
event that you meet each other, you meet to tighten. Said before, to strengthen your relationship back again.
Mhm.
I think it's halal bihalal.
Mhm.
Every activities, whatever
Mhm.
activities it is, but maybe halal bihalal is only the activity after Idul Fitri.
Mhm.
But
So you disagree?
this, disagree.
Because everyone can celebrate. They have money. Of course, they able to present to celebrate. They can serve how to say a lot of foods because they are very well prepared after it, right? So you disagree? But you say that Asyara it's very close with halal bihalal.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, I said before that the activity is same. I
Mhm.
think
Mhm.
maybe halal bihalal is most community maybe
Mhm.
or organization or big group
Mhm.
conduct it.
Yeah, it's very identical. Yeah.
But in the family
Community.
version we say Masyara.
Okay. I keep your statement. I move to Farah. What about you? What is your perspective as Alpha? Are you Alpha? Alpha generation?
I'm
Alpha to Z. Zillennial.
I'm the last Gen Z. Like I'm
okay.
in the internet it says
Uh-huh.
that Gen Alpha starts at
Okay.
2012 and I'm 2011. So
Oh wow! So it's like a transition, right?
Yes.
Oh my God! It's very close, both them. Yeah, Zillennial and Alpha, right?
Mm.
Okay. What? How can you see about Halal Bihalal is only rich people can as a host, or because the people who Masiara, of course, they are not a host. They just like going to how to say the celebration about Halal Bihalal, and of course, automatically you get a full service, you get a full, you get a THR and something like that. How do you think about this?
I think no. I think it not. I think everyone can
Mhm.
be a host to celebrate
Mhm.
Halal
Like,
Bihalal.
what's like this? Hi, assalamualaikum. Nah.
I think
You
every
didn't get the point. Okay,
Oh,
continue. Sorry,
no,
sorry.
maybe if the celebration or something like that is like
Mm.
not very much big and not very like fancy or something. I think everyone can do that, but
Mhm.
if you want to make a big event
Mhm.
where there's full service and many more, I think you have to be well prepared and rich.
Okay. It's depend on the people who have decision to be a host, right?
Yes,
Okay.
but for celebrating Halal Bihalal, I think everyone can do that.
Okay, thank you. Farah, what about you? Tika. TIKI. VOY.
Okay.
Do you get the point right?
Yes, I get the
Thank
point. I think my answer same like my friends before, because
Which one your friends?
it's my friends from the same community.
Okay.
Because I have grandmother.
Mhm.
That grandmother not the richest one,
Mhm.
but he have he have always celebrate,
Mhm.
and my family berkumpul
Mhm.
and in that room,
Mhm.
so in that house. So
Mhm.
I think money it's not about
Is that
money.
everything?
Yeah,
Is that
important,
important?
of course important. Yeah, of course
I think
important.
money is not important.
No,
Oh my
no,
God,
no, no.
hello. This is 2025. Come on.
No,
Uh.
but I agree with Farah if everyone can celebrate,
Mm.
no matter the
You're
rich
from
or
rich,
the
you're
poor.
from the,
Yes, I
the-
think that's
Okay, it's general. Yeah, everyone, each other is copy pasting. Oh my God. Sorry, kidding. Okay, you still have any
yes,
addition?
but I think halal bihalal in hotel or
Mhm.
just a fancy place is
Mhm.
impulsive
Impulsive.
thing,
Mhm.
because back to the reality, just by the way, I'm a teacher and
Oh, what teacher?
art education,
Ooh.
especially dance.
Wow.
I can velocity.
After this we get velocity, right? Come on.
Yes, and back to the office.
Mm.
My school just doing halal bihalal in hotel. I think.
Do you want to know
that's-
secret?
Yes.
Do you want to know secret?
What it?
Do you want to know secret? A
Uh,
secret.
Uh,
Next. How to say?
sorry.
Next
I
week.
Next
Our topic is velocity syndrome.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes, it is. It will be. Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Tika Yak. Okay, I move to Farah. We were talking about halal bihalal, of course, a lot of food. What is your favorite food in halal bihalal and why?
I like opor ayam.
Sorry?
Opor ayam.
I think it sounds like opor ayam. Why? Why opor ayam?
Because I think it's the most delicious food in the halal bihalal.
What about the cake or the drink?
From eat cake, I like nastar. I think it's the most delicious.
What about
cake.
the liquid one? Not liquid claro, yeah, liquid one. Yeah, beverage. Beverage. What about the beverage? Minumannya.
From the drink, I usually drink what's put in the table right there. Like
Okay.
if there's
Okay.
soda there, I would drink it. If
There
there's
is tea, you
juice,
just
yeah,
see.
I just drink it.
Okay. It's simplicity. Okay, what about you? Okay,
Of
what is your
course.
favorite foods in Halal Bihalal? Gantal jarang again?
Gantal jarang. The one and only.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I love gantal jarang.
Okay.
And add some cabe dan jeruk. Oh, it's more delicious. I think.
What about the beverage? Minumannya.
Ballo. Sorry.
No.
No. No. This is halal jangan. No.
Okay, continue.
I love DHT. I love
syrup,
DHT.
yeah,
Yes.
syrup.
Yes.
Okay.
Nggak tahu. I don't know what of bahan of
The
DHT, but
composition.
I love
The composition is actually banana.
Oh.
Yes, banana. Yeah, really banana. Banana. You may searching banana.
Oh, and DHT, I know DHT from South Sulawesi.
From Goa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Original.
Okay. We move. We're talking about brand, please. Please. Okay, thank you. What about you, Harold? What is your favorite
Okay,
foods?
My
And
favorite.
Bihalal, Bihalal.
Yeah. For like cookies, yeah, nastar. I say nastar because
Again? You copied it?
no, I really like nastar. You know, in my house, I
Boarding
hide
house or house?
my house
Where?
in Pinrang.
Oh, okay.
You know, there is a nastar as one how to say like a topless. I
Say
hide
it, please.
I hide this.
Mhm.
I can deserve in my
You
my
took from
house.
Pinran to your sorry, your how to say course?
Yeah, I took also
You
boarding house.
Yeah,
I
boarding
took from
house.
my
Really?
house.
How many bottle?
Just one bottle. But in my house, when
just one bottle.
when halal bihalal with my family,
Mhm.
my nastar, I hide this nastar from I can serve my nastar actually. So everyone didn't know about nastar in my house. It's
Can you
just about
share
me.
to me?
So if there is no one in my house, so I will serve my nastarans again in on the table actually. And actually there is also like miniatures, you know, palako from Pinrang. Palako.
Palako.
It's like great spicy food. It's really nice. It's just from Pinrang. Actually, from
Everybody
Pinrang.
know.
Yeah,
Paleko.
palako is really it's really like a spicy food.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I don't know how to describe actually, but it's really nice. And every I always eat this food if there is some
Your favorite.
yeah,
of
your
course.
favorite.
Okay, give your statement.
Okay,
What about
thank
you? I always say Akis. Anas. Anas, what is your favorite foods
Okay,
in Halal Bihalal?
Halal
Or
Bihalal.
Masyara?
Masyara.
Uh-huh.
Maybe buras.
Buras.
Yeah, beef chicken. But the special chicken is from my mom. This is not because she's my mom, yeah. But
The taste.
yeah, the taste. And I don't know the menu, but at the time I asked to my mom, what is the name of the of this menu? Because we know paleko and soy sauce, kitchen, ayam kecap. But I don't know what is the name. What the name of the chicken is, but and about food.
What about
I
the
think-
sweet? The sweet food.
Oh, the sweet food. I'm not really into the sweet food.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the spicy and the
But you like
savory food.
alpukat, right?
Yeah, avocado.
Yeah.
Avocado is special for it.
Okay, keep for me.
Uh,
Okay, what about the beverage?
the beverage, I think all kind of beverage is good for me as long as it's not too sweet.
No toxic inside or poison.
Of course.
Exactly.
Too
As
sweet.
long as not poison inside. Yes.
Not too sweet and flat.
Okay. For what is the sample, for example?
Yeah, syrup. I
Syrup?
take it. Coca-Cola, Sprite, and so on.
Except gasoline. Okay, thank you. Giving applause, guys. Yeah, for us. Yeah, we're still talking about halal bihalal as a tradition. Okay, this is very interesting because there was statement that this is not originally from Indonesia. This is originally from Indonesia, not in all how to say in another country. But this is a phenomena. Of course, we have a social media, we have a culture, especially in Nusantara. We get close with Nusantara each other, like Malay, Nusantara, like Brunei, Philippines, Timor Leste, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia. Of course, because we have influence each other, possible this halal bihalal they also get influence from our country, like Malaysia, Brunei, Singapore, Malay, right? Philippines, Timor Leste, especially for their Muslim in their country. So are you sure that this is halal bihalal already exists in another country, like in Nusantara area? Okay, Tika.
By the way, I
Mhm.
have research
Mhm.
mini research.
To Mbah Google or Mbah AI?
AI, of course, AI. And yeah, I got the point.
See, your sister is very chalita.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and I get the same point like Anas.
Anas or Akis?
Anas. Yes. If halal bihalal is adapted, actually adapted from I don't know. I don't sure if Arabian tradition that adapted to Indonesia, and I find article if halal bihalal actually from President Sukarno. That yes, that make a celebrate
The roots,
Yeah.
akarnya dari situ.
Yes, make a celebrate after celebrate something I don't know, but make to kumpul with family and
Kumpul-kumpul cika-cika.
yes, yes, and that grow that situation grow until now.
Okay.
And that
Okay.
The halal bihalal
so
tradition.
the point, the essence is halal bihalal is the root from Sukarno.
yes, just
Okay.
celebrate
Sukarno's
after
moment.
party after no.
Okay.
That's-
Okay. What about you, Farah? Are you sure, or maybe you curious or wondering about halal bihalal is already exists in our neighbor in Nusantara, like Malaysia, Timor Leste, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines?
Like
Did you got information about it?
I actually know it recently that halal bihalal is originally from Indonesia. So if it's originally from Indonesia, I think in the past only Indonesia do halal bihalal, but I don't know if now maybe in another country they celebrate halal bihalal like Indonesia too. Maybe because I don't know that they also do halal bihalal too, because in social media I don't see anything about it.
Okay, so far you just like you did not follow about that in reality.
Yes.
You haven't yet to searching on internet, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you keep your statement. I move to you. What about you? What is your perspective about this?
Right after the sister said that this halal bihalal is coming from Sukarno, right after that, I think that it might be right. And I have I make my own theory
Mhm.
that this is has a relationship or has a relation
Mhm.
to our Independence Day,
Mhm.
because our Independence Day, if I'm not mistaken, is happened in Ramadan,
Mhm.
17, right? August, Ramadan.
Mhm.
And maybe, yeah, the atmosphere is where Indonesian people
What
get
do you
happy.
mean with atmosphere? Ozone, ozone.
Oh, no. The situation, the
The
situation.
situation, yes,
We are
yes.
in a good
Kidding,
feeling, good
kidding,
mood.
yeah.
Yeah, we are
Mhm.
cheering for taking our independence.
Mhm.
And I think halal bihalal can be coming from that. I mean, has a relationship, has a relation with
Mm-mm.
uh,
There is
the-
correlation.
Yeah, the
Mm.
history, the
Mm.
history. And when we know that halal bihalal is identical after Idul Fitri, so I
Mhm.
think it can be the fun reason,
Mhm.
the funny reason about
Mhm.
what is how to say, this story of halal bihalal.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. So you just like I agree with Tika.
I don't say I agree, but I just try
You
to
don't
make
agree?
my own theory.
You don't agree? You agree or not?
I think I can't decide that I agree or not,
Uh-huh.
because
You bad.
if I say disagree, what's my point? If you don't disagree,
Neutral.
neutral.
Okay, what about you, Harold? Do you have a theory also?
Actually, I'm not. I don't have research from, like my sister said before. Have a research, mini research until.
Is she your sister?
No, from BVC.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
In my opinion, because
Okay, how are you, Agi? Okay.
Yeah, actually, I have friend from Malaysia.
Oh,
and-
cikgu?
No, they came here, like there is a
Student.
yeah, like an exchange student,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
they come back their country, and I saw them after Ramadan.
Mhm.
They gather with their family,
Mhm.
and I mean, like maybe they did halal bihalal, but
Mhm.
maybe it's not about the name. It's just about the name, because halal bihalal in Indonesia, this original from Indonesia, but maybe they do halal bihalal, but it's not about the name is not halal bihalal. It's just gather with their family and maybe forgiveness each other. It's just like that, because I saw them in social media.
So I mean, like it's similar. The situation, it's similar.
Yeah, the atmosphere.
it's similar. The how to say, very similar. The foods.
Yeah,
the,
it's similar.
How to say, the
They dine
clothes
together.
Okay, but the name is not halal
Yeah,
bihalal.
maybe it's,
What is the name?
Actually, I don't know, because I don't ask about it.
Hilal is always how to say, last to how to say rise, because it's like a human. It's unpredictable. Right? Okay, anyway, we're still talking about halal bihalal. How many minutes? What time is it now? Oh my god.
1943.
Okay, we still have time. Yes, 17, maybe 17 minutes. Okay, we continue our topic, halal bihalal. Yes, talking about halal bihalal consists of two words. Do you guys know the I mean, yeah, the meaning in Indonesia only translate to from first language to second language, like asal muasal or etymologies. Is this Arabic words, or I'm curious. I assume I haven't yet to searching. Do you have any idea? Do
No
you
one
have
has
any
searched
idea?
for it.
No.
I thought.
Halal
Halal.
bihalal. So, how do you think about the prestige who, as a host, celebrate, like celebrity, executive, judicative, and something like that? It's a very glamour. How do you think the people who always celebrate something like that? Are you secure or insecure when you visit to them For example, someone like a celebrity invite you. Will you go, guys, or not, and why? Okay, I start from you, Harold. For example, just
Oh,
imagination.
it's about the celebrity celebrate
Mhm.
and they invite
And
us
invite you.
and
What is your decision? Do you want to come? Wear your simple outfit, and they have a glamorous. Do you want to go or not, and why?
in my opinion, yeah,
Mhm.
if I got invitation from celebrities, yeah, I will go there.
Ooh.
I use my simple. I wearing
Mhm.
my simple outfit.
And
but
and
I
you
have-
show your English
Yeah, yeah.
to be secure.
Because I mean, like I got invitation. No,
Mm.
no, all people got
Mhm.
invitation from
Mhm.
celebrities. So
Mhm.
this is the privilege from me. I got invitation. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, I will join. I will go to celebrities' house.
How make yourself comfort?
Um, is
Because the atmosphere is totally different. Yeah.
um uh. It's just my mind. It's
Mm.
my confidence. I
Mm.
confidence. I go there because I got invitation. I will show my invitation with others, my friends actually.
Oh, pamer,
yes,
yeah?
it's like
Hey, hi guys, I'm
I got
here.
invitation.
This is a very honorable to
Yeah.
me. Okay.
Like
This is about mindset. You
Yeah.
put your positive mindset that this is a very prestige.
yeah, this is privilege also. We got
Privilege.
invitation.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How is big figure invite you to celebrate Halal Bihalal? Will you go or not, and why?
If we know each other,
Mm-hmm.
or if the inviter
Yeah.
is my neighbor, maybe let's say
Mhm.
my neighbor, I will.
What
visit.
about
I will
the
take the invitation.
strange?
The strange.
Just random invite, and one of the
Wow.
invitation is you.
If it's random invitation, I can assume that this is the lost invitation. I mean, undangan yang tersesat maybe.
Alamat palsu.
If we don't know each other, yeah.
Uh-huh. So-
But if we know each other, to respect the
Mhm.
inviter,
Mhm.
I have to.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So if you, sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, the last sentence.
If we know each other,
Mhm.
maybe let's say the inviter is my neighbor.
That's the point. If the
Ah.
strange not,
It's not
you will not come.
not come maybe because what is my importance to come? What I'm to the inviter.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you. Okay, Farah. What about you? If Jenny or Lisa invite you, you are Zilen Alpha, right? Alpha is very close with their era, right? You know Jenny and Lisa, right?
Of course, I know.
see, right?
I think nobody don't know them. I think everyone knows them.
The question. This is imagination question. That's why you have to imagination also to answer. How if Jenny and Lisa invite you to celebrate Halal Bihalal?
If I can go, like I'm not busy or like I'm free,
Mm-hmm.
of course I will go because like I think almost everybody wants to meet a big celebrity like them. Yeah, because they're really famous, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm busy or if I really can't go, I think I will decline the invitation and I will not go.
Okay, what about the stranger people? But the strange is there is no relation with your era. There is no relation with your interaction. Your how to say the fan. Yeah. But come from big figure. Will you go or not?
Even if they're a big celebrity, if I'm like not a fan of them, I think I will not go because
Okay.
I think it will be really awkward because I don't know anything about them. And it's like that.
Awkward like a SpongeBob. No kidding. Okay. What about you, Tika? How if Ayu Tinting invite you?
Suddenly, I think Farah got Lisa and Jenny, and I
You compare
and
different era.
Oh my god.
different different era.
Oh my god, I'm too old.
Do you want to change or switch the celebrity?
Please change.
Okay, Ivan Gunawan.
Oh my god. Okay, Ivan Gunawan, really?
Yes.
Okay, I think no.
Oh, why?
Because this after after Idul Fitri.
Listen, Ivan Gunawan. No, she doesn't want to go.
I have clarification. I have clarification. If after Fitri, I'm busy in my home. There's maybe five days. I'm cuci piring.
So sibuk ya.
Cuci piring in my house. I think I can go to your home. Ivan Gunawan, sorry.
Oh my god, you're really funny. Oh my god. Okay, what about you? How if big figure invite you?
So directly I take this chance to go to.
Oh, sorry. I already asked you
Yeah,
about
actually,
this.
I already-
But why you answer? Oh my god, I didn't realize it. The question is the same. Oh my god. Okay. Change the question. But do you want to steal any edition?
Actually, because like Para said before, they think too much if they want to receive
Okay.
or not. Actually,
I didn't realize that the question is the same. Oh my god, you already answered. Okay, come
Yeah.
on. Okay, anyway, we get closer with the last duration. Okay, you Farah, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening? Conclusion.
I think this topic is really interesting, like as I said from the start,
Okay.
because this tradition is only from, like, it's only berjalan in Indonesia. I don't know if in other country they're doing halal bihalal too, but
After this, we fly to Malaysia.
maybe I don't know. But as I know, halal bihalal is only in Indonesia, and I think it's interesting.
Okay. Thank you. What about you?
You're welcome.
Anas from Akis, please, your conclusion.
I want to say that our tonight meeting can be said or categorized into our version of Halal Bihalal, because we meet each other, and I meet with the new speakers that I don't know before, so we can know in this moment.
And I'm a host here, right?
Yeah.
Tuan rumah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But we have met for a couple times, many times. So Halal Bihalal, as the fun fact also, I think it's the the new information before for me that this is special from Indonesia. So we have to be proud of this event, because I think this is very good event for me.
Okay, and you can wait about this.
Yeah, of
Always.
course. Yeah,
Okay.
always.
Thank you, Akis Anas. Oh my god, what about you, Heron? What is your conclusion about our time for this evening?
Okay. This
Are you
topic.
still dumba? Not
No,
anymore.
not anymore,
Okay.
actually.
Okay, please.
This topic is really amazing, actually, because because I got new knowledge. Like,
you never discussed this, right? In your
yeah,
life,
actually,
whole your life, yeah, right?
It's just
This is your first time, right?
Yeah, this is the first time, and I just did halal bihalal with my family, but I never discussed about like there is a reset.
There is a
from-
gantala jaran, there is a nasta,
Yeah.
there is a
new knowledge I got from this topic, and also this topic I can
take the listen.
make it closeness with my family, and I go to my family house also, and yeah, we reconnect each other and we forgiveness each other, so it's really amazing.
And adik with halal bihalal.
What
Ketagihan.
Oh yeah, because there are many food.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Tika? What is your conclusion about our time for this evening?
Okay, because my sister and my brother have a good conclusion. So maybe I will close this
By velocity?
No. This conclusion with one message. If halal bihalal came, please don't eat so much daging because you make hypertension. So
Oh my God.
control yourself. If
Control your
yeah,
cholesterol.
Yes, of
Mm.
course, because I'm old and
Mm.
I have cholesterol. So thank you.
Okay. Oh my God, it's your speaker. But thank you guys for coming here in our second home. Thank you, Farah from if I am sorry, a major sorry. IMV.
Yes.
IMV, thank you Farah, thank you Anas from Akis, thank you Harold from BPEC, thank you Tika from BPEC, thank you guys for coming. Yeah, thank you guys, yeah, for coming here, giving applause for us. Yes, that's all our conversation with abuse communities, English community in South Sulawesi, and always listen and listen, yes, Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. This is an inspiration, especially English community with Smart FM and with English community every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. See you for the next week in another topic. Bye bye.